Hello everyone, this is Kushi Desai from Inki IT Solutions. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about one of the most powerful features in Power BI, that is calculation groups. If you have ever struggled with creating multiple similar measures, this is going to make your life so much easier. So, let's get started. You guys must be wondering, what are calculation groups? Imagine you have a Power BI report with multiple measures like total sales, total profit, and total cost. Now, what if you want to show this in different formats like year to date, quarter to date, or month to date? Normally, you'd have to create separate measures for each of the formats. But with the calculation groups, you don't need to create multiple measures. Instead, you create a single calculation group and apply different transformation to your existing measures dynamically. So let's find out how does calculation group works. All right. So I am using the finance demo report and now let's create the calculation group for different time formats YTD, MTD and QTD. First, let's go into the model view and here just click on the calculation group and here by default the selected measure appears, which means it automatically applies to the calculation to whatever measure we want in a visual. Let's rename it. Now I'm creating a new item for YTD. Here is the formula for YTD, and for MTD we'll just create. So instead of here we'll just go for month to date and date MTD. Okay, so this is easy. Now for quarter to date, let's go and create the quarter to date. So here we have created the calculation group. So we just have to use that calculation group and see how it works. Here we are seeing an error because we haven't yet given the selected measure we want to define the metrics. So let's go for measures. So I am selecting the sales measure right now. So isn't it amazing? We get all for just by creating a single calculation group. Now for making it more dynamic, let's go into the measure. Let's create the field parameter for these three and here I get the field parameter. Okay. So let's instead of sales, let's plot the field parameter here and here voila. You can look at this. You can but just by selecting any parameter you can change and see which of the metric you want to see for measures. And that's it. Calculation group in Power BI make your life so much easier by reducing extra measures, improving performances, and giving you more flexibility in your reports. Instead of creating separate YTD, MTD, and QTD measures for every metric, you can manage them all in one places. Try this out in your own Power BI reports and see what difference it makes. Thank you.